Hello everyone, then on this side. Firstly, I want to ask you something. Have you ever felt like when you're trying to understand complex topics, you feel like what if there is a visually illustration diagram, like a picture overview, explain the same concept so that you can easily understand it in lesser duration and with deeper context. So I'll start with an example. And for this, I'm gonna share my screen. So I'm going to give this prompt where I'm trying to understand bubble sorting algorithm in detail with an array example in ChatGPT. You can see this is the response that ChatGPT has generated. Uh, and sometimes lengthy explanations like this actually overwhelm you with context and doesn't really help you with what do you call understanding the concept. Instead, it will actually force you to copy the solution. So I'm going to use an image generator to see if it actually generating any pictorial overview like illustrative example, illustrative diagram. For this purpose, I'm going to use Runway ML to generate an image. Yeah, here you go. You can see this is the image which Runway ML has able to generate for bubble sorting, which actually absolutely makes no sense whatsoever. So this is the problem which we are trying to highlight on. And with the help of my friend Sai Kiran, we are able to come up with the best solution for this. And it's time to introduce Text2Block. Text2Block is a platform where you can transform complex ideas into crystal clear visuals. You can give any concept you're trying to work on, understand, or like you have a large text and you want to convert into a visual diagram for you to have a clear view. For this purpose, you can use Text2Block. And I'm going to give the same prompt and I'm going to blockify it. And yeah, here you go. You can see this is the image which Text2Block is able to generate to explain bubble sorting algorithm, starting with an array example and the rest of the path and the final sort array. Also gives you a brief idea on what uh, the algorithm, how it works. Along with the image, we also provide you the text and explanation, which can help you with following up the diagram which has generated. And yeah, so this is not just used for you to understand the complex topics. It can also be used for drawing the chemical diagrams, chemical bonding structures. Also helps you to understand ER diagrams, which I feel very much important for people who work in data field, and also gives you a block diagram of a project. You can just give the summary of a project and it's gonna give you as generate an image like this, which gives you an understanding of how your project from start to ending. And yeah, so we are actually keeping this project service for free currently. You can access this link. You can use it for no cost at all. And we are actually looking we only want you to give your feedback. You can DM us or you can comment in the post. And yeah, I'm looking forward to see your response, and you can feel free to give us any issues you're facing. We'll try to rectify it. And as the new semester starting, I wish everyone good luck with that. Happy learning. See you next time.